Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So the look that I have on right now is the one that I just filmed. So if you guys want to know how I came up with this, then just keep watching. So like always, starting off with my eyes, I'm gonna use this hard candy concealer. It doesn't matter what one you use, just add some to your eyelids, all over your eyelids. I will be using the Kylie palette. I think it's called the Royal Peach palette. The Royal palette, Peach palette, I don't know. But I'm gonna use it. To get this first shade, I'm gonna be applying it on my crease to be my transition shade. Since I am working from lighter to darker shade, I'm gonna use the same brush for the next shade I am picking up. The brush that I'm using is the Morphe M412. This is the second shade I will be using. So this is the main color that I will be working on my eyes. As you can see, I'm just patting it on my eyelid. And then I will be blending it into my crease. And you're just going to be packing on the color until you get the desired intensity you like. Picking up a more fluffy brush, the Morphe M502. With this brush, I'm just going to be blending out all the harsh lines. Now what I'm going to do is going to cut the crease, and just with a flat brush and some concealer. A little trick that I've known to cut the crease is how high you're supposed to cut it. What I do is add some concealer right here, and then I look up, and then when I look down, right here where your lid touches, it's how high you're supposed to do your crease. What I'm doing next is grabbing my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to take this white sand and I'm just going to be putting this on top of the concealer. With the brush that I used to add on the blue, I'm going to go in and blend out this harsh line right here. So it should be looking something like this. I added some wing liner. Next, I'm going to add some false lash. And the lashes are Ardell in 162. For my foundation, I will be using these two right here. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation and also the Hard Candy Foundation. To conceal under my eyes, I am using the Hard Candy Concealer. Do you guys want to know a little secret? Just between you and I think I like the Airspun translucent powder better than this one. To bronze up my face, I'm going to change it up a bit. Finally, I'm going to use this fucking broken ass bronzer from Makeup Revolution. Don't get me wrong, I love the products, amazing, but this just fell and it broke, so I'm still gonna use it though. To blush up my cheeks, I am using the Wet n Wild in Mellow Wine, and it looks like this. With this blush, I noticed you only have to put a little because they're so pigmented. Using this little brush, I think it doesn't have a name, but I'm pretty sure it's from Eco Tools. I'm going to be working on my lower lash line. Same brush, I'm taking this royal blue. Just to make my eye pop a little more, I'm using the Wet n Wild eyeliner, and this one is blue. The pencil says like, comment, or share. I would say like, comment, and subscribe. And it's this one right here. I added some lip liner on my lips, and then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Lippy in a Nudie Patootie. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you guys on my next video.